Hello, in this video we will be covering the academic history section. As you can see here, there are 4 different subsections in this category. I'll go ahead and get started with the high school attended. I had already pre-filled this section, but I'll go ahead and open it up for you. It's very short. We just want to know what high school you attended. So you would fill out the information and save the school. And as for the colleges attended, we want to know all of the colleges you attended. So whether that was through dual enrollment in high school, a community college, or university, we do want you to list every single college or university you attended. And so, for example, here I just stated our university, which is the University of Texas Rio Grande Valley. I'll go ahead and open this up so you can see how it looks like. Again, you would follow the steps, fill out the information correctly, make sure every asterisk is filled out, and save. Now, in the colleges attended section, you will also be required to order your official transcripts. And in this video, I will not be covering that, but I do want to mention that NursingCAS does have a help center here. If you do have any questions or concerns, they do have thorough overviews on how to order your transcript, and we will also post those links on our website if you need any help with the transcript ordering. Now for the transcript entry section, this is where you will spend most of your time. We do require you to input manually each course that you have taken at the universities that you added here. And so I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. Now again, this is for our university, UTRGV. And this is how it will look like if it's pre-filled. So for example, Fall 21 was the first semester attended here at UTRGV. I went ahead and filled out the course code for English 1301, the course title, which is Rhetoric and Composition 1. The subject was English, the credits were 3, and the grade is A. And I saved. And so I went ahead and filled out each course that I took per semester. If you needed to add an additional course to a specific semester, you would select Add a Course. It would look like this, and then you would save. But in this case, I'm just going to cancel. And once you are complete with filling out the transcript entry for each university you've attended, you would go ahead and review and finalize your transcripts. And it's just a few questions regarding your transcripts, and then it would be 100% complete, just as you see here. I do want to mention, it does not state it here, but there is an option to order professional transcript entry through NursingCAS. It is an additional fee as well, but you would see it here on this page in your application. And if you do have any questions, again, NursingCAS would be very helpful to you if you utilize their help center here, as well as the question mark on the top of your NursingCAS profile. I also want to mention before we begin the standardized test section, for transcript entry, if you do have any questions or confusion with course substitution, or you attended a different university that uses a different course code, but you feel that the course is equivalent to the one that we are requiring, we do recommend to go to our website. So this is the UTRGV School of Nursing website. This is our homepage. You would then go to academic programs. And right now I am overviewing the undergraduate application process, but if you were a graduate, you would select graduate. So I'm going to go to the undergraduate. You would then be directed to academic advising and course substitution assistance. Now, if you do have any questions on any of our programs, this would be your guide here for academic advising. But as for transcript entry, course substitution is right here. You would then follow the steps, read each one, see which one applies to your situation, and then it would prompt you to the best solution for you. Whether that be speaking to the university registrar, admissions, your program coordinator, and so forth. Also, you can check out our review section, which would give you additional information as well. Now for our standardized test section, our nursing program does require the HESI exam, and so I already pre-filled it here. I'm going to go ahead and open it. You would just answer the questions, input your grades here, and save test. And that covers the academic history section within NursingCAS.